Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how to solve this viral and tricky simultaneous equation. Okay, I'm going to show us the fastest method. Now, solution. We have AB equals to 40, BC equals to 50, CA equals to 60, and we have to find the sum of A, B, and C. Okay, so we want to assume that A, B, and C are real numbers because our AB, BC, and CA, the values are more than 0. I want to assume that they are all real numbers. Okay, now let's use this using A square is equals to AB multiplied by AC divided by BC. All right, this is how to calculate the square of A. And then also our B square now will be AB BC over AC. And lastly, our C square now will be AC BC over AB. All right, so for us to find A square, the square of A, we are going to do A times B, our AB, which is 40, multiplied by AC divided by BC. And for B square too, we are going to do, so this is the shortest way and the fastest way to do it. All right, so now let's find each of these. Now let's start with A square. We have A square to be AB multiplied by AC over BC. And remember, our AB equals to 40, okay? Then our BC equals to 50. And lastly, our CA, same thing as AC, is equals to 60. So now, what is our AB? It's 40, so we have 40 multiplying AC. AC, same thing as CA, which is 60, over BC. Our BC is 50. Right, so by the time we divide this, 5 here 1, 5 in 40 is 8, so we have 8 times 6. That means A square equals to 48. All right, now let's find A. If we have A square to be 48, okay, that means that we take the square root of both sides, then we have A square, square root of this side, plus or minus square root of 48. So I will take the positive solutions, all right, since negative ones are just the negative of the sum. So I will just take positive solutions. So square cancel square root. So I have A equals to, then this will be 48, same thing as 16 times 3, 16 times 3, and that gives square root of 16 is 4, that is 4 root 3. That means our A equals to 4 root 3. Okay, so this is A. Now let's find B using B square equals to AB multiplied by BC over AC. Okay, remember, let me write that again, that our AB equals to 40, our BC equals to 50, and our CA, same thing as AC, equals to 60. All right, so what is our B square now? What is AB? AB is 40, so we have 40 multiplied by BC, which is 50, over AC, which is 60. Right, so by the time we divide this and multiply 6 here, we can use 2. 2 here is 3. 2 in 40 is 20. So we have 20 times 5, 100 over 3. All right, so we have B square to be equals to 100 over 3. And what do? We take the square root of both sides. So when you take the square root of both sides, so we have the square root of B square, and this is plus or minus square root of 100 over 3. All right, so taking the positive solution, then I have square cancel square root. So I have B equals to, what square root of 100 is 10 over, this is still square root of 3. All right, so what do? Rationalize it, multiply by root 3, multiply by root 3. So this we have 10 root 3, then root 3 times root 3 give us 3. So that means that our B is equals to 10 root 3 over 3. Okay, so this is our B. 10 root 3 over 3 is our B. Now let's find our C. Don't forget we have to use C square equals to AC multiplied by BC over AB. And let me quickly write what AB is. AB is 40, then BC is 50, and CA, which is AC, is 60. Okay, so we have C squared now to be, what is our AC? Is 60, our BC is 50, then our AB is 40. Right, so 0 cancel 0, 4 here, 1, 4 here, 15. So we have 15 times 5, which is 75. So C squared equals to 75. All right, so we can now do the square root of both sides. The square root of both sides, we have square root C squared equals to square root 75 plus or minus. Square cancel square root. So C equals to, I will take the positive side. 75 is the same thing as 25 times 3. Square root of 25 is 5, so that will be 5 root 3. Our C equals to 5 root 3. Okay, now let's find the sum of A, B, and C. A plus B plus C. Right, what is our A? Our A is 4 root 3. What is our B? Our B is 10 root 3 over 3. And lastly, what is our C? Our C is 5 root 3. Okay, so what is common? Factor out root 3. Root 3 is common here, so when you bring out root 3, we have 4 left here. We have 10 over 3 here, and we have 5 here. Right, by the time we multiply this times this times this is this times this is this. Then if you solve this, 4 plus 10 over 3 plus 5, we are going to get root 3 multiplied by, the whole of this will give us 37 over 3. Right, if you add all this together, we have 37 over 3. And by the time you multiply that by root 3, so it means we have 37 root 3 over 3. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equals to 37 root 3 over 3. And that is the final answer. Alright guys, you can see this is very fast. Now let's do something similar to that. We have AB to be 20, BC to be 30, and CA to be 40. Alright, so the question is, you should find A plus B plus C. Alright, thanks guys for joining. Don't forget to like, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.